I will be the guinea pig for you. I will try it out. I will try it first and I will give you all the tea, okay? Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and you're watching Miss Kiki's Curls. Today's video is a little different from what I normally do. So today I have a first impressions of the JLo Beauty skincare and I'm super excited to share this with you guys. I actually purchased these items like a month ago around my birthday. I was like, treat yourself. So I treated myself and then I got a little bit scared because like my skin is very sensitive and I don't try new skincare very often unless like my skin is having issues. So because of that, I was a little skeptical, but at the same time I was like, it's JLo, her skin is flawless, she has that glow, she's beautiful, and it just sold me. Plus she's Puerto Rican, I'm Puerto Rican. Connection. I initially bought the set here, which comes with like a serum, a cleanser, a face cream, and then the like bronzy, highlighty, that star filter. I don't even know how to really describe that product. I didn't want to spend any extra money, but it did not come with an eye cream, and I feel like an eye cream is just a part of a skincare routine. So I did end up picking up the eye cream separately. So if you guys would like to see my first impressions of the JLo Beauty skincare, then let's go ahead and jump right in. Wait a minute, just a little disclaimer. I'm not gonna be wearing makeup, obviously. So I'm gonna look a little different, obviously. You might call me a catfish, but I call it good makeup, okay? No, I'm just kidding, but just so you guys are prepared, I'm gonna look possibly like a different person. Hello guys, good morning. So I wanted to start before like trying the items to show you what my skin looks like. This is my skin, no active breakouts. Actually, my skin is doing really well right now. My main concern is just this bit of like scarring that I have. And then just for reference, my skin is combination skin. So I think that's kind of good because it'll help you if you're oily or if you're dry. I can give you an opinion on both. So as you guys can see, my hair is straight. So before we start, let's go ahead and get this out of the way because I did not spend hours on this to get it wet for this video. All right guys, so we're ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with That Hit Single Cleanser, which looks like this. Looks really beautiful, really nice packaging, that really pretty rose gold. And then just for reference, that's kind of like the consistency that it comes out. So this is probably like the worst description, but like kind of like it's not. I'm gonna go ahead and run the water and then wash my face, and then I'll come back to you guys. I wash with warm water, and then whenever I'm finished like actually washing the face, I splash with cold water just to kind of like close the pores and everything. And then clearly I use a paper towel. I just feel like it's a lot cleaner to do a paper towel instead of a towel. So first impressions on the wash, as you guys probably saw whenever I was washing my face. So this does like set up a little bit, but doesn't get super foamy and bubbly, which I think is great. I feel like my face is clean, but it doesn't feel like too dried out. It does feel just a little bit stripped, like a little dry. It definitely feels like I need to put something else on my skin. So that is what I'm going to do. In this kit, she doesn't have a toner. I don't know if she has a toner and I just missed it. But because of that, I'm just gonna go ahead and be real neutral. I'm gonna use witch hazel, which should not affect a single thing, but definitely feel the need to tone my face. Plus, that's part of my skincare routine. So for toner, I'm just using the Dickinson's Original Witch Hazel, and I have a cotton pad. So let's go ahead and do this real quick. All right guys, so now that I've toned my face, I'm gonna go ahead and do eye cream. I saw this is the packaging for the eye cream, really pretty. And then whenever you open it, it says, this is the eye cream we always needed. I sure hope so. This is the thing that I love about this skincare line is the products are just so beautiful. Like imagine that on your bathroom counter. Gorge. So it looks like that, super pretty, has the rose gold like everything does, and then the kind of clear around it. Really, really well done. Good job, JLo. That's what it looks like. So we'll go ahead and pop this little top off. And then this is what the cream looks like for like consistency reference. That's kind of like what it looks like. So yeah. I'm just gonna go ahead and dab some on the under eye and use my ring finger to apply it. First impressions on this is it actually feels really good on my under eye. Just applying it all around the eye, like contour, and then the eyebrow area. It feels really nice, really refreshing. It feels great and very moisturizing, which is really what I'm looking for in an eye cream. We're gonna go ahead and move to serum. So next we have the That JLo Glow Serum, which looks like this. Again, such pretty packaging. It's all very matchy-matchy, all very beautiful, shiny, extra. This just gives me princess vibes. That is what it looks like. So very runny. And as you guys saw, I just did 2 pumps. Very thin, very runny, but does feel good on. It feels like a nice serum. It feels like, you know, it is restoring my skin from kind of the dry and stripped feeling after washing my face. We're gonna use that Blockbuster Wonder Cream. Basically looks exactly the same as the eye cream. Oh, it is exactly the same, even same size. That's kind of weird and could get confusing, so I'll have to read. Darn it. What the cream looks like inside. Ooh, okay. Okay, so this seems to actually be a really thick cream. Like I'm rubbing my hand on it and it's not just like coming off. So I'm gonna use the tip of my nail. And that's kind of the consistency. Personally for me, I tend to use a lighter moisturizer on my skin. Does this have sunblock in it? This is the cream, definitely very moisturizing. Does feel a little bit heavy, a little bit thick, not extremely heavy and thick and crazy, but it feels just a little more than I'm used to. So definitely think that this would work really well for people with dry skin or as like a moisturizer in the winter. So we are coming to the end of this application process. I hope I didn't talk too much, but I did want to give you guys the tea. So this is the Star Filter Complexion Booster. This is supposed to highlight, bronze, diffuse. This is in the color Warm Bronze. They have other colors, or at least another color, but I kind of just wanted the medium one. I didn't want to go too dark and like start looking crazy, but hopefully this isn't too light either. So it comes in this little pump, this little bronzy container. So, ooh. Okay, well you guys saw how that came out. Really, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna assume this is an under the makeup product because that looks crazy. Like I'm gonna look like, I guess not the Tin Man, but you know, like the gold man in Vegas that's literally like all gold and he like stands there and doesn't move. That's what I'm gonna look like. Just putting this on, it kind of feels like consistency in the middle of the serum and the moisturizer. You guys can see it on my skin, but whenever it's rubbed in, it just gives like a nice subtle glow. Like it definitely did brighten up the skin. So final thoughts on these products. I like them. They are nice. Just my favorites out of what I've tried. I would definitely say the eye cream is a favorite, and I'm super, super picky about eye creams. Like I only have one eye cream that I actually love. So I really like this eye cream, but I'll have to see also how like makeup and everything applies with all of the skincare products. And then I actually do like this glowy, bronzy, highlighting, whatever this is. I really like that. I feel like that'd be a really pretty product, especially like in the summer when you're kind of looking for that glow. Product that I did not really like is the moisturizer. So that was just kind of like, not my thing. And then the serum, it was just kind of okay. And the face wash, it was just kind of okay. It wasn't really blown away by them, but we move. So anyways, guys, this is the final skincare look. I'm gonna go ahead and hop off camera to do my makeup, and then I will come back, tell you guys final thoughts, and let you know how this skincare worked with my regular makeup routine. All right, guys, and like that, I am back. This is what the final makeup is looking like. This is what my skin is looking like with the skincare underneath the makeup, in particular the glowy product. And she cute. Like, I am not even gonna lie, I am really liking how my makeup looks. I think makeup came out really well, looks really flawless. There's a bit of a glow, which I actually like. For the most part, I do try to keep my makeup very matte when I first do it because I have combination skin, I get oily in the T-zone, and honestly, the oils just come through throughout the day, which I love. I think that my makeup actually looks better throughout the day once, you know, my natural oils have kind of come through and it's not as matte and flat. But I feel like with the skincare, I got the matte, flat feeling where I don't feel greasy and nasty. However, I have a little bit of a glow going on as well, which I usually have to wait a little later for that to occur. Really, really happy, used my regular makeup products. Everything applied nicely. The only thing that I will mention is, this is the primer that I use, the Tatcha Silk Canvas, the liquid one. Whenever I did put it on, my face felt a lot like drier. And I think it's because I typically use a face oil as part of my skincare routine as well. So kind of pat that in, and then, you know, obviously next would be primer before makeup. So usually it just spreads a lot easier on my face. So that was the only thing, but it wasn't like I couldn't spread it on my face. That was really just the only thing that felt different. Other than that, everything applied flawlessly. In fact, it might have applied more flawlessly than usual. This is what makeup looks like, and I'm gonna just put my hair down to complete this video so I don't look like, you know, so I look cute. So hold on. This final makeup look, I added, you know, my earrings and stuff so I look a little more put together, but I'm still in my robe. I did not change at all. I wanted to go ahead and show you guys the final look. Honestly, I really, really, really enjoyed the JLo Beauty all together. I feel like they worked really well. I feel like they're great under my makeup, and I feel like I'm really happy. So I definitely think I will be holding on to these products. I think it's like too late to return them anyway. If you guys would like a part 2, like an update on kind of what I'm thinking and how I'm feeling about these products, let me know down below. I do think that I will just continue using these products for a couple weeks just to get a real feel for how they are. I have work in a little bit, so I am going to get ready for that so I am not late. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know this is different from, you know, videos that I normally have, but hopefully this is helpful. And I do want to try and switch things up a little on the channel, give you guys more content, not just like the same thing all the time. So let me know what you think, and if you have any content ideas, then let me know down below. On that note, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. As always, take care, stay safe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.